For this video, we're going to be going over 3 separate pieces of equipment. We're going to be going over the LT Supersonic Air Knife vacuum, the LT Supersonic Air Knife, and the LT Supersonic Air Knife vacuum adapter kit. The benefits of each being used individually, or just the ease of use of transitioning between the air knife and the vacuum when you have the adapter kit. So the standalone LT vacuum is just a piece of equipment, has the top handle trigger, adjustable handle, and just the vacuum end on the other side. It comes with a 15-foot discharge hose for the dirt or mulch, whatever you're vacuuming out of the hole. Then we have the standalone Supersonic Air Knife LT, just for digging, blowing dirt away from irrigation lines, tree root inspections, bare root transplanting, all that good stuff. Either of these pieces of equipment alone can be run off of 185 CFM compressor. If you have 2 people on the job site and you want to use the vacuum and the air knife in tandem, you would want to use a 375 CFM compressor, just to optimize the efficiency of each piece of equipment. Again, so you want a 375 CFM compressor if you want to use both the vacuum and the air knife at the same time, or you could use a 185 CFM compressor and operate them individually. So for the vacuum adapter kit, what we have is on the end of the LT standard or the ST standard, you would just take off the wear tip and the nozzle itself, and then the adapter kit comes with both sides of a banjo fitting, and then the vacuum end with a banjo fitting attached already. So when you have the wear tip and the nozzle unscrewed from the barrel of the LT or ST air knife, you would put the female side of the banjo fitting right onto the barrel of the air knife. And then you'll connect the wear tip and nozzle to the male end of the banjo fitting. And that assembly together is the digging part of the adapter kit. You can just clip that right in, and then it's ready to be used as the supersonic air knife. Or, as soon as you've got everything loosened up and you're ready to start cleaning up, you can just quickly clamp the vacuum end on. And again, this would have the 15-foot discharge hose to just exhaust the debris out of the hole. And it's as simple as that. Thanks.